Now I'm going to proceed and show how to install our bushing 2139 and 2140. As you can see, our bushing is a little bit shorter than OEM, but I will show you how to install in order to work. So this is the OEM and this is the our bushing. Okay, I already have pre-installed the bushing in the bottom, as you can see, and this bushing is just put here. Make sure they are aligned. Our bushings are made on this shape in order to make it easy for you to align, so make sure they are aligned. Then once you put it here, you can either there is a easiest way to use it. This is some kind of tool that you can either make, which is very easy, a long bolt, and you can just insert on the rack, and you can just start to press it. There is another way that makes it kind of easy. This is the, let's say, the bolt that goes on the rack originally. Also, you can use that one in order to install it. So I'm going to use this tool in order to install it, as you can see. So let me just show you a very important thing also. The hole, this is the OEM, so this is how it works. See, this is the OEM and this is ours, so it's exactly the same fit. So everything is the same, except, like I said, ours is a little bit shorter, but once you install it, it will work on the same way. So once you put it here, you can just start to put the ball on it. Then this is kind of, like I said, a very simple way to install it. Once you put it there and making sure that it's aligned, you just hold the bar on the bottom. Now it's just flat, it's all the way in, so we just proceed to take it off the bolt. See, and it's just perfect. Let me show you in the other side too. Same process, making sure, like I said, this ball on the passenger side is oval. Make sure it is aligned. Once you start to put this one here, same thing, same process. So it's just basically hold the part on the bottom and start to put it in. It's already all in, and you can see both sides are flat. Proceed to take it off the ball, and basically it's already installed. See, and as you can see, both of them are flat, and that's it. So you can see it's already all the way in, both sides, as you can see, and same thing for the other side. Okay, all the way in. Also, the easiest method, if you have a hydraulic press, should be fine. Just like I said, making sure the bushing are aligned.